Well, students, today we are going to discuss the another important topic of B.Ed, which is Indian Education Commission 1964 or 66. It is also called the Kothari Commission, right, guys? So, Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission, it was set up in 1964 under the chairmanship of a Dr. D.S. Kothari, right? The actual name of this commission is the Indian Education Commission, but it is popularly famous as the Kothari Commission after the name of its chairman, right? What is the main task of that commission? The main task of that commission was to advise to the government on the national pattern of education and on the general policies for the development of the educations at all the stages, ranging from primary to postgraduate, right? So guys, this commission is given in the 1964. We got the independence in 1947, but from 1947 till 1964, there was no, kind of any pattern of, common pattern of education system. So DS Kothari, advised the government. So what the recommendation he has given to the government, we discuss in the coming slides. So first of all, we should know that what is the need for appointment of this commission. Okay, what was need? First of all, need for a comprehensive policy of education, because till 1964-66 there was no comprehensive policy on education. Okay, so every school was teaching in his own way, on their method, and others. There was no comprehensive policy of education, in spite of a number of education committee after independence. In fact, a number of committees you know gave the suggestions, but there was no comprehensive policy on education. Okay, this is the first need. Next, need for detailed study and expansion of education. There should be expansion of education, because on that time there is a very limited kind of school and colleges. Now you have seen that once you open a school, okay, suppose you want to take the 10th class affiliation from the board. Okay, you yourself make up one building, and according to the requirement of the staff, you appoint a staff, and fill all the data in the CBSE or ICSE site. Okay, IC member came at your school, they inspect your school. Okay, so you can start by yourself. But early time, what happens, this is all done by the state. Okay, and there was no expansion of education. Next, need to emphasize the role of a people in national development, right? There should be a role of a people in national development. Need to make people aware that they have a share in the national development along with the government. Okay, next need is need for overview of educational development, to create more integration between various parts and consider it as a whole, not as fragments. And need for a positive approach to the status of teacher. So these are the some needs, many needs. That's why this commission appointed in 1964 under the chairmanship of a DS Kothari, right? So next, the main four, basically the goals, objectives of commission was: number one, education for increasing productivity. Next, education for accelerating process of modernization, because now on that time technology, industrializations started, modernization started. So there should be modernizations in the process of education also. Educating for promoting social and national integration. There should be national integration and social integration. And education for inculcation of a national values. So these were the goals. And what are the recommendations? We do one by one. Okay, the number one is free and compulsory education, which was given by Kothari Commission, right? So effort should be made for the early fulfillment of the directive principle under Article 45 of the Constitution. You know that our Constitution's Article 45 says that there should be a free and compulsory education to every child up to the age of 14. Do you know that? Are you aware now, guys? Okay, you should know that this is a directive principle. Okay, it should include into the school. Even you have seen that whenever we admit the students in the school, some of the seats we reserves for the students. And in the government schools up to the age of a 14, okay, and as well private also, there should be a free and compulsory education. Programs should be developed to reduce the prevailing wastage and stagnation in schools and to ensure universal enrollment. Okay, well, there should be a universal enrollment because there are lot of dropout on that time now. So there should be a many number of students they come into the school system, so that we can reduce the wastage and stagnations in the schools, right? So this is the first recommendation, free and compulsory education. Next is the language policy. So there should be a production of a books and literature, particularly scientific and technical, in regional language. Okay, means suppose there are different we are living in the India, there are lot of states and they have their languages. Okay, different languages. So books should be published in that language, because when the student in that particular state, he can learn easily. Regional language to be made language of administration for the regions, the mother tongue or the regional languages, right? Mother tongue to Hindi hai, otherwise the regional language bhi allow honi chahiye. English language to serve as a link language in higher education for academic work and intellectual intercommunications. Hindi to serve as the link language and spread of Hindi in non-Hindi, right? It is clear to you. Next recommendation is education for democracy. Okay, so promotion of a programs of a adult education. Now you have seen that now in villages and others there is a kind of adult education program. Okay, all of those persons, they have back out from the school due to some reason, due to financial reason and other, they couldn't study. Okay, so government has started the adult education program. Okay, well, go to the different villages and educate the adult persons. Okay, over there. Expanding secondary and higher education. So this was also recommended. This recommendation was given by the Kothari Commission. There should be expand of the higher education. Okay. So up now you have seen that there is a lot of higher educational institutions in the country. Okay. Development of a scientific mind and outlook. Education should be like that. There should be a development of a scientific mind, because on that time everybody was talking about science, and till now you have seen that it is an era of a science and technology, right? Science and technologies are changing, lot of changings, all the things swiftly changing. So education should be such type, there should be a scientific mind and scientific outlook. Education for social, moral and spiritual value. Education should be such type, they should develop the person as a social, as a moral, as a spiritual, right? Next recommendation, education for social and national integration. Okay, national integration means there should be a kind of a conferences and such kind of there should be arranged by the nation, so that persons from the other nations, teachers from the other nation, they can come at in India, and the teachers of India, they can go to the different kind of countries. Okay, there should be a kind of a conferences and others should be established. Education for international understanding. There should be a such kind of a education. Now you have seen that lot of educations from the abroad countries, they have come in the India. Ab India may, if I talk about Chandigarh, in a Chandigarh there are a lot of colleges. Okay, they have the 3-year program or 4-year program. Okay, under the 3-year programs, what happens? 1.5 year student learns here, and 1.5 year students learn in the Canada. Okay, one MOU is signed by both the country, India and Canada, India and Australia and other country. Okay, so such kind of a programs has started because of that commission, right? School should promote international outlook. Next, a common school system. There should be a common school system. Actually, what happened on that time in 1964-66, there is a lot of problems of a color, caste, creed, and these are the students of a general category, SC category. Okay, they should given a extra classes, other classes. But now this commission recommended that every student is a unique. irrespective of a color, caste, creed. Every student, in fact, the abnormal student, normal and abnormal student, they should learn under a one roof. Okay. Next recommendation, 10 plus 2 plus 3 system. Okay, this is the commission. Aap dekho, now you have come to know that before 1964-66, there was no 10 plus 2 plus 3 system. Okay, 10 plus 2 plus 3 system is given by this commission. Okay, 10th means matriculation. After that, we take 2 years to clear our 12th class. And after the 12th class, 3 years for our graduation. Okay, now in 2021, there is a new education policy. It talks about 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. Right? We discuss under the National Policy of Education in 2020. Right? Science education. Next recommendation of a Kothari Commission. Science education must become an integral part of the school education, and quality of a science teaching must also be improved considerably. Work experience means education should be such type. It should be based upon the work experience. Vocationalization. Vocalizations, you mean number of courses like welder, electricians, plumber, such kind of courses should be added into the education process, so that after 10th or after +2, okay, student become able to earn also, right? Teacher status. Yes, there should be a, this recommendations given by Kothari Commission. There should be a, the level of a teacher should be high. There should be a, increase in the salary of the teacher. Now you have seen that in 2021, the pay scale of a teacher is very good. When you talk about the TGT teacher, after doing the B.Ed, they become the TGT teacher. They get around 60,000 per month. When you talk about the PGT teacher, they take around 70,000 and more than 70,000 in fact. Okay, there should be a increase in the salary and status of the teacher. Kothari Commission's given this recommendations gave by the Kothari Commission 1964-66. Next, teacher education. Teacher education, guys, means B.Ed and M.Ed. Teacher education program should be improved. New professional courses should be added. Means like you have seen that B.Ed or M.Ed. Okay, why you are doing the B.Ed or M.Ed? You know that after doing the B.Ed, you come to learn all the strategies how to teach. So such kind of a professional courses should be added, so that we can give the good and effective teachers. School education curriculum, right? Last as school education curriculum means for the improvement of a school curriculum, research should be undertaken by the University Department of Education. Guys, always remember, in every country, if there is a provisions of a research center, so we can say that it is a developed country. Okay, because when you talk about the America and others, why they are developed? Because they have the solid research based system. They do the research. So there should be a research institution, research department. In fact, I'm also agree from this point. Even every school and others, there should be a some facilities of the doing the research. Students should be motivated to do the research. Revisions of a curriculum should be based on such research. Preparation of improved textbooks and teaching learning material. The orientations of a teacher, revised curriculum means there should be a refresher courses. It does not mean after doing the B.Ed that teacher is a perfect. There is a, because teaching, it is a skill, and skill fade with the time. There should be a facility of faculty development programs. So such these things all given by this recommendation. Right, guys? So this is all theory work. You have to write these all the recommendations under a Kothari Commissions or Indian Education Commission 1964-66. Right, guys? Thank you so much, guys.